Upgrade is perhaps one of the best notions mankind has created.
From backup to booting to installation, IT skills must really advance in the modern world.
As we loot new operating systems, let us go make things a lot easier.
This is Jessie Mikaela de Leon following the Mellow Boot Road where there is no prep like home.
Yours truly is Lloyd P. Lomotan, onward to Windows of the West.
The name is Lyanna Andrea Villanueva on flight to the Emerald Linux City.
And this is Axl Louis Coronel, your support for this escapade. I welcome you,
The Wizards of
OS.
Once more, welcome, dear adventurer. This is the second part of this series tetralogy, No Prep Like Home. Basic preparations and guidelines before installing or upgrading an operating system. This time, our goal is to acquire the medicinal herbs to assist us in our adventure. Every time we complete a specific step, an item would show up as a sign of accomplishment. Jessie is my name, and let's roll.
Ensure the compatibility of your PC. This mainly aims to avoid troubles of downloading the OS and running the setup tool only to figure out whether obvious compatibility problems exist. The processor must be 1 GHz, RAM must be 1 GB for 32-bit, 2 GB for 64-bit, hard drive space 16 GB for 32-bit OS, 32 GB for 64-bit OS. The graphics card must be DirectX 9 or later with WDTM 1.0 driver. And display must be 800 by 600. Before proceeding with the installation, let's back up all of your files. It's highly necessary to create a backup of essential data and valuable files on your PC to an external storage device before Windows 10 or other Windows OS update. First, simply navigate to the file that you would like to copy to the USB flash drive. Right-click on the file and choose Copy from the pop-up menu. Double-click on the My Computer and open the USB flash drive. Now right-click to an empty area and choose Paste from the pop-up menu. Create the file to be more organized. Another alternative is to backup data using Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and others. These services are commonly used to provide a certain capacity for free, giving consumers the option to purchase additional storage as needed. Downloading essential drivers. The easiest way to download drivers is to download Driver Pack solution from browser. It is a software which allows you to download and install the required drivers for your computer without going through several processes. You just need to download the setup from the website and run it. Just click the download button and it will download the installer. You just need to click and follow the setup process to enjoy the software. is to check Windows 10 activation. First, search for SCD-key. SCD-key operates as an established platform focused on providing customers with codes and serial keys to software and game applications. Click the search bar and type the version of Windows 10 you need. After you must have downloaded and installed the correct edition of Windows 10, go to Settings on your computer. Next, go to Update and Security. On the left side of your screen, you will see Activation. Click on it and you'll see a place to put in your product key. Lastly, put in the key you have gotten and then activate it. Lastly, changing boot order on firmware. Restart your PC and just double press the delete button to open your BIOS. Go to Settings and look for Boot option. Make your flash drive as boot priority. And you're done. Just press F10 to save and exit.
Now that we're done on our preliminaries, sure nang di na tayo mabibigo on our files once we upgrade it. So now, don't forget to view the next videos to complete this series as you go onwards to the windows of the West. Till next time!